V2O Marine is based in Marseille, and we are very proud to have developed a device which is entirely made in France. So now we are commercializing our first device, the MPS11, and then we will commercialize bigger devices, which are the MPS30 and the MPS16.
So this is what we wanted to test today, to test the resilience, the efficiency and the speed of our MPS. And after a full day of tests, we can tell you that we are pretty happy with this day. Wonderful.
It can treat any kind of pollution like hydrocarbons, algae, also plastic pollution. So the net placed behind is opening and closing in the same time as the system. So when you tow the system from one area to another one, you can tow it at a speed at up to 8 knots. And when you arrive to the area, you can open the system and everything will open at the same time, and you can treat the area at a speed at up to 4 knots.